This video is not about cheating with AI. In 2026, academic success isn't about working harder. It's about working intelligently. Still spending hours stuck on one math problem? What if you could scan it, solve it, and actually understand it in seconds? In 2026, smart students aren't just practicing harder. They're using free AI math tools to learn faster and score higher. In this video, I'll show you 5 completely free AI tools that can help you solve algebra, calculus, trigonometry, and even engineering math step by step. Just powerful tools you can start using today. Watch this video for details.
All right, let's get started. For the next few minutes, think of me as your personal math tutor. And look, we're not just going to list some cool apps. No, we are going to strategically build your ultimate AI math toolkit, one that's designed to help you absolutely crush that next big exam. You know the feeling, right? It's late, you're staring at a problem that might as well be in another language, and that exam stress is really starting to kick in. But what if you had a whole team of specialists on call, ready to help you break it all down? Well, guess what? Now you do. Today, we're going to meet 5 incredible AI tools, but let's not think of them as just tools. I want you to think of them as your own personal team of expert tutors, each with a very unique strength. Our job is to figure out exactly which one to call for your specific exam. Okay, let's start with the big guns. If you're tackling university-level math or you're grinding for a tough competitive exam, these first 2 tutors are going to be your go-to experts. So first up, we have Wolfram Alpha. This thing is way more than a calculator. It's what's called a computational knowledge engine. Basically, this is the seasoned university professor on your squad, the one you bring in for the most complex, high-level problems. So what makes it so powerful? It's the sheer scope. I mean, we are talking advanced calculus, differential equations, the really heavy engineering math that university students run into all the time. It doesn't just give you an answer, it powers through unbelievably complex equations in a blink. This is your specialist for high-level problem solving, for sure. Okay, next up for our university-level team is Symbolab. Now, if Wolfram Alpha is that brilliant professor, think of Symbolab as your personal training coach, the one who runs drills with you over and over until you're totally ready for game day. And here's the absolute game changer, the practice questions feature. Symbolab doesn't just solve the problem you give it, it can generate more problems just like it. This is so important for those competitive exams where it's all about building that muscle memory and getting faster. So while Wolfram Alpha gives you the powerful final answer, Symbolab helps you build the mental strength to get there all by yourself. Okay, let's switch gears a bit. Now we're going to meet the tutors that are perfect for your day-to-day coursework, that nightly homework grind, and all those school-level exams. These are your reliable, everyday problem solvers.
Next up is Microsoft Math Solver. This is the super friendly, super versatile member of your crew who's always there to help and makes things incredibly simple to understand no matter what the topic is.
Okay, its best feature? It has to be the simplicity. I mean, you can literally snap a picture of your messy, handwritten notes and bam, it just figures it out. It covers a huge range of subjects: algebra, trig, even calculus, and statistics. And, you're going to love this, it's completely free. That makes it one of the most accessible and powerful tools out there.
All right, specialist number 4 is Photomath. This is the speed demon of the group, the one that gets you a clear, instant answer right when you're totally stuck.
Now this one is laser-focused on school students, especially if you're gearing up for board exams. Its point-and-shoot ease of use is just wow. It's unmatched. You see a problem in your textbook, you take a photo, and you get a detailed step-by-step solution instantly. For mastering core algebra and arithmetic, it's an absolute must-have.
Finally, let's meet our last tutor, one with a totally different but just as crucial skill set. This specialist helps you actually see the math, which, let's be honest, is often the hardest part of really understanding it.
And that special tutor is GeoGebra. Think of this one as the visual artist on your team, right? The one who takes all those abstract formulas and turns them into something you can actually touch and play with.
See, GeoGebra's real power isn't just about finding x. It's about finally understanding why x matters. When you can actually plot a function and drag it around,
or build a geometric shape from scratch, or see a 3D model rotate in space, that's when the concept really clicks. This is less about just solving and more about deep, true understanding.
All right, Team Huddle, we've met all the players. Now comes the most important part, the game plan. This is where you put together your personal study playbook so you know exactly which tutor to call for any exam you're facing.
So let's just break it down really simple. Got a beast of a university exam coming up? Your first call is Wolfram Alpha for its pure, raw power. Grinding for a competitive test? You need Symbolab and its practice drills. Just need some help with tonight's homework? Microsoft Math Solver or Photomath are your best friends. And if a geometry concept just isn't making sense, GeoGebra is going to be the one to make it click. See? It's all about using the right specialist for the right job.
Okay, but before we finish, I have to put on my serious tutor hat for a second. Seriously, this is the single most important thing you need to hear about using these amazing resources. So here it is, the golden rule. You ready? You always try to solve the problem yourself first. Always. Then, you use these tools for one of two things: to understand the step-by-step method if you're really stuck, or to verify your answer if you think you've already solved it.
And I really can't stress this enough. Do not just blindly copy the answer. The whole point is to learn the process, because when you're in that exam hall, all you've got is what's in your head. If you just copy, you'll be left with nothing when it really counts.
So just remember this one thing. These aren't cheat codes to get you an easy grade. They are your personal training coaches, here to make you smarter, faster, and way more confident for that real test. Use them to train, not to cheat.
And there you have it, your very own AI math toolkit. You've got the playbook. So now the only question left is, which AI tutor are you gonna hire for your next exam?
AI will never replace critical thinking, but it can amplify it. These tools are not shortcuts. They are academic companions that help you read deeper, write clearer, and think more systematically. Used responsibly, AI doesn't weaken scholarship. It strengthens academic integrity, saves time, and raises the quality of research. The real advantage in 2026 won't belong to students who use AI blindly, but to those who understand when to use it, how to guide it, and when to rely on their own reasoning. If this toolkit helped you, bookmark this video, share it with your peers, and start building your own ethical academic AI workflow today. Because the future of learning doesn't belong to humans or AI alone. It belongs to humans who know how to use AI wisely.
Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon. That way you'll never miss an update. Thanks for watching.